Alright guys, Style3D team is working hard to make us really happy. I was so excited to try this auto knotting tool that I had to share with you this amazing experience. Like with only 3 clicks away, you have a perfect, I would say, I would need to polish a bit, but the knot is there, it's done. And you know, it's amazing, it's super fast. We used to take a lot of time on making this. And I love the fact that they really understand what we need and how to speed up our workflow process. So I'm going to show you, and I'm super excited to share this with you, how this tool works. It's super fast. Let me show you my screen. So here I have an outfit that I got from their library, and I got this around her waist. So if you have a waistband or something, you just have to increase the length of the area where the knot is gonna sit. So what you have to do is, I just placed an internal line here so I can know where to go with my selection, just for visual help, okay? And you have to click here. The auto knotting tool is gonna be hidden under fold arrangement. So you just click and press and you're gonna see auto knotting tool right here. It's gonna pop up a window and you can select whatever the knot you need. So I just chose this one, and I'm not gonna change any parameters here. I'm just gonna select so you can see how it works. I'm gonna select all this area, so it's important to start from the edge that you want the knot to be done, and the other edge. So we need both edges where the knot's gonna happen, and boom, it's done. Like here we have a previous knot where you can see, and if you just hover your mouse over those properties, you can understand the parameters you might want to adjust in case you need something longer or shorter. So you can see in green the area it's gonna change, but I won't change a thing. I will just click OK and just simulate, and there it is, like magic. It's amazing how easy it is to have a simple knot. You know, if you need to animate this, you just have to add some pins or maybe just fix the positioning, and it's there. You don't need to take hours working on this. It's just there. It helps us speed up the workflow so much. Thank you, Style3D team. I'm in love, and I'm very eager to test AI pattern too. Now you can see that we have in the interface this AI button right here on the top right. So you can select, you can just create AI fabrics, AI graphics, AI artwork streams, like earrings, buttons, and everything. AI snapshot, where you we used to have it within the render area, so now it's sitting right here. And for companies that use the enterprise license, they might have the AI pattern tool activated. And I'm willing to try Style3D. Can you give me that chance? But anyway, I'm very excited with all the updates, and we can see that they are using AI in a very smart way to help us a lot. I'm loving it. What about you? Let me know in the comments.